Hey there, and welcome to Healthy Tube Family. Today, we're sharing an easy, healthy recipe for you to try, fennel water. I am Bakshi, and we're excited to help you learn how to prepare and consume fennel water for a healthier lifestyle. So, let us dive into this simple yet powerful recipe. To make fennel water, you'll need just 2 ingredients, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and 1 cup of water. It's that simple. First, measure out 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and place them in a heat-resistant container. Next, pour 1 cup of water into the container with the fennel seeds. Give it a gentle stir to combine. Now, cover the container and let it steep overnight. The longer you let it steep, the more potent the fennel flavor will be. Improved digestive tract health. Fennel may have a positive impact on the health of the digestive tract, possibly preventing issues like constipation. Unlock the potential of fennel water as advocates propose its role in balancing your body's pH levels, fostering a more alkaline environment. Dive into the intriguing concept of alkalizing effects with fennel water and discover the potential benefits for your overall well-being. Elevate your skin's vitality with Fennel's antioxidants, working tirelessly to shield against free radical damage and enhance your glow. Experience the potential for a radiant complexion as fennel becomes your skin's ultimate ally in promoting health and resilience. Embark on a journey into diabetes management with the potential powerhouse, fennel. Limited research hints at its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Are you curious about this natural ally in stabilizing blood sugar? Join me for an exploration of the fascinating connection between fennel and diabetes well-being. Don't miss out. Fennel water is believed to help with sugar control due to its diuretic and digestive properties. It can aid in reducing water retention and bloating, and its antioxidants may help improve overall digestion and metabolism. However, it is important to note that while fennel water may provide some benefits in managing sugar levels, it should not be considered a substitute for proper medical care or a comprehensive diabetes management plan. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Rich in nutrients. Fennel is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, providing essential nutrients for overall health. Detoxification. Fennel water is known for its detoxifying properties, which may help flush out toxins from the body. So today's video we end here. Don't forget to subscribe to watch our more videos.